Hi, I'm Nick Ross, back with Daniel Leary from Jabra at the Sydney Integrate conference. You're going to be showing us Jabra's Hero product. Can you tell us all about it? Show us how it works, please.
Yes, thanks, Nick. So this is the new Jabra PanaCast 40 video bar system. So available now as a bundle with the bar and the touch controller, or a bar-only SKU as well. So we're going to talk a little bit through the components, but first, before we do that, we're going to talk about the deployment options available for these products. So first up, we're going to, funnily enough, talk about the cardboard box. Now you can see these provisioning windows in the box. So when the box gets shipped to the partner or customer, this is sealed up with a sealed sticker here. Now, one of the things that Jabra did when they were looking at building this product, they went out and interviewed AV integrators and customers and asked them what their challenges and pain points were when they're deploying meeting rooms. And one of the topics that came back was the amount of time wasted for a partner when they receive a device. They have to unbox it, provision it, box it back up and send it to the customer for installation. So Jabra, based on that feedback, came back with a solution, which is this design of the new box. So it enables the partner to receive the device. They can then open the provisioning windows of that device, connect their cables, provision it, disconnect the cables, close the window and send it to site, saving them a great deal of time in provisioning that. And also the risk of maybe scratching the product or damaging the product in some way or losing components in that process. So it saves them that time and gives them efficiency in provisioning. So at Integrate this year, that's been a very popular talking track in partners love it.
Well, it's the first cardboard box I can remember seeing.
Exactly.
That I've been impressed by for a while anyway.
Yes. So the next part is the touch controller. So for Jabra, we've had a touch controller with our Jabra PanaCast 50 for some time, but it was a table-only solution. So network connected device that paired over the customer's network to the bar, but it was table only. So in that design, our product team came up with a new unique design for the back of the device. Now this is a great story in the fact that it just pops off. Now in this mode, it's an angled 25 degrees on the table. You can also rotate it for 25 degrees on the wall. So great for accessibility, people to see it, and action what they're doing on the wall in the meeting room. Or you can rotate it, the same shroud at the back, rotate it, then it becomes flush mounted on that wall. So just flush mounted, accessible for people to control the meeting room and join meetings. Now, great story where you don't have to order another part for wall mounting and you don't have to throw anything away and create rubbish that's unnecessary. So that's a little bit around the mounting options for the new touch controller. It is a lighter product as well, so great saving there in the components that built that touch controller. We also have proximity sensors. So this allows the room to go to sleep, into standby when no one's using the products. And then when they walk into the meeting room, these proximity sensors detect that someone's walked in and turn the system on. So a good sustainable story there. Now that's a little bit about our touch control. And then if we move to the actual bar, this is our new small and focus room solution. So redesigned from the ground up, but still providing our unique 180-degree field of view that Jabra is known for. So we achieve this in two lenses on the PanaCast 40. On the 50, which some people might be familiar with, the PanaCast 50, that's achieved with 3. So straight away we're reducing hardware, but giving the same software and user experience in the meeting room. If we take this cloth cover off, we also have one speaker on the bar and then 6 microphones across the top here. So in comparison to our PanaCast 50, there's 8 microphones, 4 speakers, 3 camera lenses. So you can see that this is reduced in hardware components, designed for the small meeting room, designed for that coverage of small space, which allows us to reduce that price point, which is unique for the market. And discussion with customers and partners at Integrate this year is the form factor, the price point is spot on for those small and focused meeting rooms. And then one of the other options, we spoke about accessibility as well. At the back here, all our bars now have 3.5mm audio jack. So we can provide audio out to a hearing augmentation system, which enables people that are hard of hearing to connect to either infrared system or a hearing loop or AuraCast as well. So great solutions for accessibility in meeting rooms.